Are you into a small business? Are we an MSME? Hi, this is Subramaniam. Let us discuss about MSME, how it evolved. In the pre-independence era, the small-scale industries were not organized and there was no government support at all because there was no government. 1947 onwards, post-independence era, government has started initiating many developments and many acts were passed, many departments were come up, and 1951 Industrial Regulation and Development Act was passed to support industries, and in 1976 when constitution was added with directive principles of state policy, there was a separate article called article number 43. It's a Gandhian DPSP. There are three type of DPSPs, out of which Gandhian DPSP, which is primarily focusing on cottage industries. And these cottage industries were called small scale industries, then it became MSMEs, and MSME in 2006 MSMED Act was passed. Before that there was a ministry, however 2006 there was an act passed for MSMEs. What are the benefits for MSME? MSMEs are, their payments are secured. When they supply something to a big company or government department or any organization, their payment is secured. Within 45 days they can get the payment. They'll get a trademark subsidy on the trademark registration, 50% subsidy, and ISO certifications and many benefits, electricity bill, mainly lending, primary sector lending. The MSMEs are eligible for primary sector lending by various banks. RBI also supporting this initiative. There are about 3,000 banks across India to support this MSME sectors. This is an overview of MSMEs, and 1948 onwards there were many institutions were set up to support this, like KVIB, NSIC. Initially 1948 to 1991, KVIB, then Choir Board and all these were set up. And 1991 to 1999, it was the era where we have just come out of the slowdown or economic recession kind of thing. In 1991 there was a LPG scheme was launched, liberalization, privatization and globalization was launched in 1991. That was a turnaround for most of the economic activities, especially micro, small, medium enterprises. Why we have to emphasize on micro, medium enterprises? Because they are the segment which contributes more to the employment sector, generating more employment, more production, GDP, and nearly 90% of manufacturing are happening from micro, small, medium enterprises. They are classified by the investment on the industry. Manufacturing means 25 lakh, 5 crore, 10 crore. That is micro, small, medium. If it is service sector, 10 lakh, 2 crore and 5 crore is a category on the investment on the equipment, that is service criteria. Later in 1/7/2020 it was revised. Investment and annual turnover put together 1 crore, 10 crore and 50 crore category for manufacturing, and 5 crore, 50 crore and 250 crore. As and when the development happens, the industry changes, economy and many things have changed, and service sector played a major role. Then the definition, the turnover, everything started broadening. Okay, now recently from 1/7/2021, MSME has got a new entry called, earlier it was only manufacturing and service providers. Now trading industry, trading community has got added to micro, small, medium enterprise. That is a greater fillip, greater support, greater energy to the trading community. They were ignored for long. At last government has heard that, and it is really a great change. From this month 2/7/2021, the notification has come from government to include the trading community. I was always wondering why these traders were ignored, because they play a vital role in between manufacturer and consumer. Though service providers are there, the traders actually give a great service to the manufacturers by facilitating the product to reach the consumer as a wholesaler, retailer, super stockist, national distributor. Many names, they are called in different names. They invest, they give credit. Every economic activity they do, every business activity they do, but they were not considered in this micro, small, medium enterprises and priority lending sector. They were not considered for priority lending sector. As you know, MSMEs are given many benefits, but this community was ignored. Now they can have a good laugh, and they will be smiling today. And 2.5 crore traders are included in MSME sector, and they will be in the priority lending sector. They can enjoy other benefits like trademark registration subsidy and priority lending benefits, and all the benefits they can enjoy. Mainly credit guarantee, the money what they payment guarantee. Yes, payment guarantee they can enjoy. Within 45 days they'll get the payment from the customers. The government will be monitoring that, and if they complain to MSME department, it's a secure. That is a major advantage for MSMEs. And there were many legislations and many enactments have happened in between 1948 to 2006. Okay, so MSMEs are generally the very grassroots level segment which provides employment, and they play a vital role, key role in the GDP of our country. And today MSME, the registration has become very simple, unlike earlier days. It is earlier it was SSI, there was no online registration. Later it was Udyog Aadhar, and now it has become Udyam registration. There was a migration also given recently. You can migrate from Udyog Aadhar to Udyam registration. There were many benefits given for registration also. Just Aadhar, OTP, and fill your basic data and get your registration done. There is no upfront payment, there is no dealers in between, middlemen in between. You need not visit the office, you need not submit any document to get yourself registered under micro, small, medium enterprise. But the website you are clicking should be, there should be an extension of gov.in. Of course, I suggest you take support of your tax consultant or auditor or advocate or whoever is dealing in this particular activity or profession. Get a support and suggestion from them, because it is not about only registration. You need some key inputs to be given there. So for that, better to take support from your professionals, so that your registration gets easy and you will get all the benefits from departments. I wish you all success. Have great selling, do great business. Thank you so much.